Right, Aaron's just tightening the last of the new Sledgehammer tyres and green wheels. And yes, they are heavier than the stock wheels, but this is what came with the green wheels, Sledgehammer tyres. So I thought, yeah, why not? Give them a go. Now, the reason why we had to change this, yes, Aaron wanted more green. He wants a very color coordinated X-MAXX. So I thought, yeah, why not? Let's indulge him. But the reason why is because we actually needed a new wheel, well, new tire at least, because we had a little accident and one of the tires blew. So we decided to get these. Now, I do like the look of these. They've got a bit more meatier tread than the stock ones. They're a bit wider, as you can see, if we do a straight comparison. But yeah, I do like the look of these tyres and wheels. What do you think about them, Aaron?
I like them. They're really good. Thank you, Dad.
Cool.